What if I told you that the biggest reason most people stay broke in 2026 isn't low income or bad investments? It's tiny money leaks that quietly steal thousands every year. These aren't flashy mistakes. They're everyday habits you barely notice until you run the numbers. Today, I'm exposing the top 5 money leaks killing lazy wealth building in 2026, and the dead simple fixes that can free up $500 to $1,000 a month without earning a single extra dollar. Leak 1. Subscription creep. The average American now spends $219 per month on subscriptions. That's $2,628 a year, according to CR Research 2026 data. Streaming, gyms, apps, software, most of it barely used. At an 8% return, that $2,628 invested annually for 30 years becomes over $296,000 lost to wealth. So how do you fix it? You have to do a brutal audit once a year. Use Rocket Money or just your bank statement. Ask one question: do I use this weekly? If no, cancel immediately. Leak 2. Eating out in convenience food. Bureau of Labor Statistics 2025 data shows the average household spends $3,800 or more yearly on dining out and takeout. For many younger people, it's $5,000 to $7,000. That's $400 to $600 a month you could invest instead. $500 a month at 8% for 30 years. You're looking at nearly $680,000. The fix: meal prep once a week. Batch cook simple meals. Rice, chicken, veggies. Apps like Mealime make it lazy-proof. Leak 3. Lifestyle creep. You get a raise, and your spending magically rises to match. A Harvard Business Review 2026 study found 70% of people increase lifestyle within months of higher income. A $5,000 raise nets on average $3,750 after taxes. Spend it all, zero extra wealth. Here's the fix: the 50% rule. Automatically invest half any raise. Let the other half upgrade your life guilt-free. Leak 4. High-interest debt. Average credit card rate in 2026, 24 to 28%, Federal Reserve data. Carrying a $5,000 balance costs $1,200+ yearly in interest alone. That's money you'll never invest. The fix: debt avalanche. Pay minimums on low-interest debt. Throw everything extra at the highest rate first. Or consolidate to 0% balance transfer if possible. Leak 5. Buying new cars. Cars depreciate 20% year 1, 60% in 5 years. Car Guru's 2026 data. Average new car payment: $735 per month. Buy a reliable used car instead. Save $400 per month. Invest it. 3 unbreakable lazy rules to plug leaks forever. Track spending monthly. Mint, YNAB, or a free spreadsheet. Awareness alone cuts waste 10 to 20%. Automate savings first. Pay yourself before bills. Review big expenses yearly: insurance, phone, cable. Shop around for 10 to 30% savings. Plugging these leaks is the fastest way to free up real money without earning more. That extra cash invested lazily compounds into life-changing wealth. Get started in investing today. Click my Robinhood referral link in the description below and get a free stock just for signing up. Hit the like button if you're auditing your leaks this week. Leave your comment of what your biggest money leak is below. Subscribe for more ways to stop wasting and start building. Thanks for watching. Go be lazy and get rich.